Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to send secret messages on Tinder. So I just tap to on my Tinder application. So here match with someone, two users must both swipe right each other. To make a match, once you matched, you can start chatting with that person. So send a message before matching with Tinder Select. You can send a direct message to someone up to two times a week without matching with them. First, you can only send a direct message from the likes send tab. So right now I don't have any chats because I just created and logged into the Tinder account. So, if you are having trouble sending messages, you can try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi and deleting and reinstalling the app. So, hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.